HTML entities are often called special characters, and by special characters we mean things that aren't numbers or letters. When we use the meta tag and UTF-8 that's intended for an English language keyboard, all of the special characters work on your keyboard. But there are a couple of exceptions. If they are reserved characters in HTML, you have to replace them with special code. The reason is that the browser has a difficult time telling the difference between whether the character entity is an instruction in HTML or whether it is actual code. Character entities, the ones that I use most often, are a non-breaking space, and all that means is that is the space bar. Ampersand you have to use because if you'll notice, every single one of these character entities start with an ampersand. I also often, as a web designer, use copyright and I use registered trademark. You can use either the name or the number. Depending on if you're right or left-brained, one or the other will be your preference. Both work. So for a non-breaking space, notice that the formula is ampersand. Then you have some letters that usually stand for that entity. So NBSP stands for non-breaking space. All of the entities close with a semicolon. It also has been assigned a number. So if you would like to have a space bar, you can use the ampersand NBSP semicolon, or you can use ampersand # 160 semicolon. Both produce a space. You can use either one. I'm right-brained, and so the entity name seems to help me. Ampersand, AMP, copyright is copy, registered trademark is reg. The formula is right here. You have your ampersand, and then you have whatever letter or number combination and your semicolon. In order to see this on the page, I'm going to go ahead and copy. And inside my main content, I just add this inside the text. Typically, a copyright or a trademark would be located in your footer. So I'm going to go ahead, move these into my footer. These are things that you really don't have to have memorized, but you have to know where to find them. And notice that I'm right on W3 Schools. I'm under HTML entities. If you go look at symbols, these are typically mathematical symbols. And you can find Greek letters, you can find other entities that are here. All of those work the exact same way. For your assignment, what I would like you to do, and I was copying these right inside my HTML5 code example that had a foundation. Mine happened to have a meta name, but really all I need is for this to show up. So I'm going to save this as an HTML. Let's take a look at it in the browser. Notice that the ampersand, oh, it opened on my other screen that you cannot see. Notice it opened as an ampersand and that I have my copyright, and my registered trademark. Anytime you need a symbol or a special character that doesn't just work and it's not on your keyboard, this is the way that you do it. For this assignment, please turn in the HTML file so that I can easily see that you are able to put in the special character code. Upload this to Canvas under Special Characters or Character Entities.